EVENG. Add a new object. FortiGate. Cannot create FortiGate firewall on EVENG. Go to Fortinet support page to download virtual machine image file. Fortinet support. Login. Email user. Email. Password. Login as email user. Security code. Copy. Paste. Go. Support. VM images. FortiGate. KVM. 7.4. FGTVM64 KVM. Download VM image. Download complete. Compressed file. Extract. This is the file after extraction. Next, upload this folder to the EVENG system. I use WinSCP. Host name. Enter the IP address of EVENG. 168.0.7. Username. Password. Navigate to the following folder. Opt. ANETLAB. Add-ins. QEMU. Opt. ANETLAB. Add-ins. QEMU. Drag and drop virtual machine FortiGate. Rename folder. Fortinet. FortiGate 7. Rename image file. Return to the EVENG system. Node. Fortinet. You can now add a FortiGate virtual machine. But you should need one more step. SSH. Root. EVENG's IP address. 168.7. Password. Opt. ANETLAB. Wrappers. UNL wrapper. A. Fix permissions. Success. On EVENG, I created a new FortiGate virtual machine. Add a new object. FortiGate. Name. Fortinet 7. Save. Add a new network for remote access. Network. Cloud. Create a new connection. Start. Open. Username. Admin. No password. New password. Diagnose. IP. Address. List. This is the firewall's IP address. Use any browser to access firewall. Enter the password set in the previous step. Admin. Password. License. Evaluation license. Email. Enter your FortiGate account. Password. You will be asked to restart the firewall. The above are the steps to create a new FortiGate 7 firewall on EVENG. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Again. Later. Save and continue. I acknowledge. Later. OK.